let's check out this handheld vacuum by GXZ SK. Here is your on-off switch. Right there. Here is the way you would get this off to clean it and to add the filter. It comes with a filter in it, and you also get another filter for replacement. You have your hose that you can attach right there. It also comes with this attachment here if you want to put that on the end, and you also get a brush if you'd like to use the vacuum with a brush. It comes with a USB-C charger, and this was given as a sample for review.